Chicken cacciatore is an easy-to-make, low-carb, rustic skillet dinner recipe made with 1 chicken thigh or breast simmering in a rich and hearty tomato-based sauce. This is real Italian comfort food. Hi, I'm Joni from One Dish Kitchen, your #1 source for single-serving recipes. Let me show you how to make it. Now this goes pretty quickly once you get started, so we'll prep our vegetables first. You'll be using 1/4 cup of chopped onions, 1/4 cup of chopped bell peppers, and 1 clove of chopped garlic. Sprinkle both sides of a 4 to 6 ounce boneless, skinless chicken thigh or breast with 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt and 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper. Set it aside. In a 10-inch skillet over medium-high heat, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil for about 30 seconds. Add the chicken to the skillet and cook for 4 minutes on each side. Transfer the chicken to a large plate, cover it, and set it aside. Add the chopped onions, bell peppers, garlic, and 1/2 teaspoon of dried rosemary to the pan and cook, stirring occasionally for 2 minutes. Add 1/4 cup of dry white wine and bring it to a boil. Cook 2 to 3 minutes, stirring occasionally until almost all of the wine has evaporated. Now traditionally wine is used in chicken cacciatore recipes and it gives the dish a really great flavor. You could replace the wine with chicken broth if you'd like. Stir in 1/3 cup of canned diced tomatoes along with some of the juice from the can and add the chicken back to the pan. Reduce the heat to low, cover, and simmer for 25 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through. Taste and add additional salt if needed. Serve and enjoy. Be sure to check out these great videos and click below to like and subscribe. At One Dish Kitchen, cooking for one is all we do. Bye for now.